So Roblox bedwars recently just added 2 new kits in the game called Ragnar and Elizabeth. I don't know if I pronounced that right. And today I'm going to be trying to win with the free kits that are free forever only. So make sure to stay until the last end of the video to find out if I win or lose. And before we get started with the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Alright, this is the first game and we're using a new Ragnar kit. Okay, let me rush this blue base. Wait, is this cyan or blue? I don't know. Oh, this is blue, this is blue. Alright, now look, I can just do this, press that button and just smack this guy to his death. And I don't know why, killed by void, the thing is still on my screen. And then just no, bro, are you serious right now? Are you serious? I'll buy some extra wool and a sword and a better axe to break a bed better. Let me just drop the iron because I like to drop it and just pick it up when I get back to my base. And I do that, and boom, boom, you're off the void, you're off the void. You're off the void! Let's go. Yo, chill. Let's go, let's go. I can beat this guy, I can beat this guy, I can beat this guy. Wait, what? I still died after I killed him? Hey, yo, what? Now I'm gonna take his iron and then buy some iron armor if I can. And let me protect the bed a little bit. Now I'm going to the yellow base. Wait, he was yellow? I didn't know. I thought he was blue. Why is the bed color different? Bro, what? I think the bed plating changes the color. Wait, I'm almost, well, let me see if somebody's rushing me now. Alright, now I'm gonna get iron armor. Let's go! We got iron armor. Now I'm gonna get some diamond armor if I can. Before I need to get a diamond sword, I think. I'm gonna get some shears also, just because I don't know what to spend my iron on. Alright, now I'm gonna go this way and okay, a bro has a full diamond. Wait. I'm cooked, chat. Am I cooked? No, he's gonna get my bed. I can't even go anywhere. Let me get his benefit. Oh my god, bro, third person building is so hard. Okay, bro. Bro's at space, I know. Okay, he died. No! I'm gonna get you. Oh, why do I damage only 3 and 4 damage? Why do I deal 3 to 4 damage only, bro? Bro, what? What is going on? Okay, bro. So I lost with the kits, free kits only. So make sure to comment if I missed any. See y'all next time. Bye.